Look like the ant bed is getting bigger. I don't know where all these ants are coming from, but I'm getting ready to put some ground cinnamon on it. See if that's gonna stop them, kill them off real quick. They said it works. I done used it before. Okay. It's gonna choke them to death. See them coming out. They're running out. Okay, ants. I gotta get out of my garden. Can't make y'all big ant piles here in my garden bed. Okay, I'll see come tomorrow if any more ant piles have formed up again. But I'm choking them out here with this cinnamon. Some over on this bed area as well. Well, the cinnamon didn't totally work. I still see some ants poking out on their mounds here, making their holes, coming back out. Let's see if I can see if the cinnamon is gonna totally wipe them out. I'm gonna have to come back with something else, because most of them have gone. But their mounds are still here.